Hello, this is Ian Stevenson, and this is the video walkthrough of the brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. This boat was just completely redone by the factory at Boston Whaler, and the engineers really wanted to try something new, and like the rest of the brand, have a housed gas tank in the boat, but also widening the boat out and offering quite a few more options on this model. So let's take a walk through really quickly. I can point out a couple of different features and show you why, if interested, you should give us a call. The back of the boat, this full-length bench seat, this is a huge option on this boat, but also offers considerably more storage and also lounge capacity just by flipping down this bolster all the way flush. So rear lounger, forward lounge bench, and works really well. Of course, with the bench seat comes additional storage down below that you just wouldn't have on this model. This middle bench seat here also faces aft, and by doing so, you have a nice footrest and facing the transom. Of course, additional storage below is one option you can do, or this boat is actually equipped with the live well option, recirculating aerated live well. Forward facing at the helm, this is the classic Helm steering wheel for the Boston Whaler. Everything's very ergonomic in design. Switch gauges right here on the toggle switches. Visibility is great. But look at the stainless materials that this manufacturer uses. It's really quite beautiful, nice and clean. Another storage compartment on this boat down below also has access to your batteries and of course the battery switch option on this model. This is also equipped with the fishing package, which is the Ritchie compass, the bench seat cooler, seat back with the rod holder storage, and of course shade in the state of Florida with the bimini top. Another great feature that they made standard in the new 17 Montauk was this housed either fish box or storage, but also insulated. And because of the complete foam encapsulation, this can also be used as an insulated cooler. An ingenious design by this manufacturer, Boston Whaler. Forward cooler compartment, again, nice and finished out. Nothing is left undone by Boston Whaler here, and it's just it's a great boat, just getting out on the water. Shallow draft, great for fishing, great for a small family. So this is the walkthrough on the Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Come check us out at MarineMax.com.